Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to fix cleanup not showing on iPhone iOS 18. So first check device and iOS version compatibility. Ensure you have an iPhone 15, 15 Pro Max or 16 series device. So after that verify that you are running on iOS 18.1 or later version. Now step 2, update the latest iOS version. To do this, open settings, go to general. Now in general section, tap on software update and check for any update available and install it like this 18.1.1. And step 3, set language to English US. In settings app, go to language and region. In settings, go to language and region. You'll find it. You'll find it in general, language and region. Now what you have to do, add and select English US, English United States. Now step 4 is to enable Apple Intelligence. This will be available in iPhone 15 Pro, 15 and 16 series. So that's it. After doing all this, your problem will be fixed.